We have all heard good audio gear perform poorly due to the room's acoustics. This is because the listening experience includes the sound emitted from the loudspeaker and the acoustic reflections produced by the room. Together, they create the sound heard by the listener. A comprehensive sound system design process must consider both direct and reflected sound. Sound system design starts with the room. You will learn how to collect and evaluate the room's impulse response, a single measurement that includes the room's total acoustic signature, whether measured or calculated. The room impulse response is the springboard into the sound system design process. To know it is to know the room, and knowing the room gives important clues about the loudspeaker system that can deliver clear sound to all listeners. Loudspeaker selection and placement determine the maximum distance at which sound clarity can be acceptable for a given acoustic environment. A loudspeaker that works well in one space may not work well in another. There are no one-size-fits-all loudspeakers. The loudspeaker specifications needed by the system designer are presented at this seminar. You will learn how to use information from the room impulse response to select and place loudspeakers in the space. Only after the loudspeakers are selected and placed can an appropriate power amplifier be selected. You will learn how to use amplifier specifications to ensure that the sound will be loud enough without damaging the loudspeaker. The final step of the sound system design process is to assess the performance of the system with regard to speech intelligibility and music clarity. Here, the design process comes full circle, because the same methods used to evaluate the room can be used to assess the performance of the finished system. This assessment must be both subjective, by listening, and objective, by measuring. We will demonstrate the latest instrumentation used to measure the speech transmission index, an important performance metric for speech communication systems. The principles covered in sound system design have not changed for decades, but the methods used to complete the design process have changed dramatically. We will demonstrate the use of computer room modeling to evaluate your design decisions and speed the design process. You can read textbooks to learn how to design sound systems. Sound system design makes the textbook come alive through a multimedia learning experience. It may be the most valuable 3 days of your lifelong learning path.